It's about 11 something, almost 12 p.m. midday, and I went for my food from the dining hall. This is boiled beans with some gari and plantain. Anyways, guys, let's continue with the vlog. Bye. I don't know if you all can hear me, but today, in fact tonight is about 5 p.m. and I'm so excited because I'm enjoying up at the shore, trying to get some fresh air. I think I like
last two videos, the last two vlogs that I posted before this one was about a month and some weeks ago, right? Like about 6 weeks. And this is because, guys, I had already started vlogging in the house before I came and edited one or two. And so it was, my storage was competing with my PDFs and videos that I have for studying, right? So at a point I wanted to just delete it and forget about YouTube, but at the same time I wanted to do it, so I had to first post that. So I've not been able to pick up the camera to vlog again. So guys, I'm sorry. And guys, I want to show you something. So don't judge me. I've already won these two, but I wanted to use this opportunity to thank my friends. This is the shoe I got from my friend Abigail. I know you've already seen Abigail in the previous two videos, or maybe one of them. Yeah, Abigail gifted me this, and I want to say thank you, Abby. And yes, the slippers too. It's a very nice, cute slippers. And yeah, this also was given to me by my friend Vivian. You might have seen her in this video before this clip, so thank you guys.
Hi. So I'm studying on my bed, right? And I'm like, why don't I try to get some footage for YouTube? So I decided to position my phone on one of the shelves that I keep the books on. And guys, I got some footage, but it fell on my head. Like, because I feel like the way my tripod is, it limits my creativity. The the kind of videos I want to create, this tripod is a limit in me. So guys, at this point, I feel like y'all should start contributing to CDs. So there you go, we use it to buy a new tripod. And we'll see. Anyways, guys, I have to deal with it anyways. So I'm still studying. Yeah. This is, I don't know if you can see the setup, but I'm on my bed. And yeah. And one thing is, I have videos on the phone, some PDFs that I would like to use for the study, right? So I can't film the entire process. So I have few footages that I'm going to definitely add them up in the video. So that's not my entire session, but just to show you what goes on. So bye.